crypto market has been extremely fearful in the last couple of days. It's covered in blood, it's downtrending, and XDC network is no exception to that trend. We're going down, but how far? Should you sell? Should you buy? Should you be worried really? I'm here to offer you some perspective on XDC network, Symfin, through technical analysis and price action. So follow me to the charts. Thank you for sticking around. We are analyzing XDC versus USD on a daily chart. Every candle is one day. I hope it's obvious to you, and if you are XDC holder, investor, whatever, you know that price is trending down, and you know that from that peak in August, that reassertion of the price, when we almost touched 20 cents, 19 cents, we are on a downward trajectory. Today we are standing at 7 cents. Now I'm here to tell you that this downtrend started many months ago, so you can't say that the extreme fear that was in the market in a couple of previous weeks has something to do with this. Look at this. With drawing this line that started all the way in June, was confirmed in August, retested in September. You can see that here we broke the trend line, and this was October, not November, not December, October. In October you should have got out of XDC. I'm talking about the short term, of course. Since then, only bad news, only downward trajectory. This was our uptrend, and since that point we created a clear downtrend. So if we should talk about anything on this chart, it should be this trend line of downward sloping trajectory. Resistance, 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 resistance. How meaningful could it be than this? This is the important stuff. As long as we are below this trend line, as long as price action is moving below it, XDC network is bearish. So this uptrend, for now, is not meaningful to us. What is meaningful is this trend line, and we can even make it a parallel channel. Things are becoming clear, right? At least to me. We've been moving all the way from August in this downward sloping parallel channel. Support, 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 and right now, exactly that, a support. Price of XDC is right now at that support, so should you be selling right now? Well, according to this parallel channel, if you believe that it exists, you shouldn't, because by the probability, now you could expect a bounce to the higher levels of the channel. If we don't break the trend, at least we could travel to that upper band of this downward sloping channel, and this level. Now remember this level, this is 9 cents. We are standing at 7 cents, as I already said. In the next few days, you could see 9 cents being realized pretty easily, and we will still be in a downtrend, in a downward trajectory, because we wouldn't get out of this parallel channel, and 9 cents is where that resistance is held. So yes, you could expect 9 cents in the next few days, but until we do this and break this structure of this channel, you are not allowed to be bullish. Oh, that sounds harsh. I mean, long term, we don't have any proof. How's that? Now remember, I just gave you that first clue, whereabouts of that 6-7 cents, that we could be bouncing off this lower support of this channel. Now second clue of why I think that we could be bouncing off to the higher levels and end this short-term, super short-term trajectory to the downside is this line. Just below 7 cents lie this line of super support. Why super? Because in here, this was July, we bounced and moved to the much higher grounds. And right now we are doing that. We are just at that supportive stance. Now, of course, there is a probability that we move through that line and go to the next one, but that is not important for this time. I believe we could hold this line. If we break this clear support, then we can discuss it where to next. For now, let's see if this is the strong support. And please don't click off yet, because before you leave, I want to show you one more thing, and an important thing. Those two moving averages that I plotted on the screen are 89 and 144. pretty significant ones, pretty important ones. Now, as long as the price action is above it, like here you can see clear bounces, we are bullish. As long as price action is below it, like for example here and in this region that we are right now, we're bearish. That's why I said we are short-term bearish. No sugarcoating, no pretty picture. But check out where this crossover is standing at right now. 89 is crossing 144 at what level? 9 cents. So did I tell you to remember that 9 cents? Because of the channel, moving averages are telling us exactly that. We could see a bounce to those levels of 9 cents and still be in a clear downtrend. So super short term, if you want to take a trade and sell at 9 cents, it's good. But until you break that 9 cents with high conviction, you shouldn't expect much higher levels than this. If that happens, great, you're on the horse or on the dinosaur or whatever you're riding. All I want to say is XDC in the short term is bearish, with the possibility of a bounce to 9 cents. And in the long term, XDC is also bearish if we don't climb above those crucial levels below 9-10 cents. When you see XDC, for example, at 10 cents, holding the ground, then you know that the real stuff is coming away. And if you want to know what coins I thought was a good buy a few videos ago, then check out this video in which I discuss 7 coins that are currently good buying opportunity. I mean, was, but in any case, check them out to see my thoughts and my reactions regarding the charts and technical analysis. My friend, I'll see you in that one.